Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. First, you should look for the clock icon, and we're going to click on this icon. Now you'll click on alarm, then click this plus button, and now you'll choose the time when the alarm will go off. I'm going to set it for 7 in the morning. AM means morning, PM means afternoon. If you have the 24-hour format, it would be from 6 and 7 up to noon. 12 would be in the morning, and from 13 hours on, it would be in the afternoon. So you choose the time when the alarm will go off and select the days of the week when it will ring at this time. Here, you can set a message for when the alarm goes off. The message you put here will appear on your phone screen. So enter whatever message you want. This sound option should be enabled, and vibration should also be on. And this other option, I'll explain what it's for. If the alarm goes off and you don't wake up, after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or whatever time you choose, it will ring again. If you don't wake up, it will ring again after the amount of time you choose here. It will repeat this process of ringing again as many times as you set down here. So set that up, then click this save button, and that way your alarm will be set up, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped, don't forget to leave a like, drop your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.